So we're just going to be in the process of cleaning the gutters today on this residential property. So as you can see here, this customer hasn't probably cleaned their gutters for maybe 2 years, and as you can see there's a beautiful build-up of silt and moss and basically heavy soilage. So let me show you this here. That's pretty heavy, dense stuff, which we'll bag up in a minute and we'll clean it all up, and then what we're going to do is we'll flush all the downpipes as well. But the reason why I'm showing you this is because it's important to remember that the gutters are really only there for water to be able to flow through them and down the downpipes and away from your property. That's the ideal situation we're looking for. In a situation like this customer, what I haven't shown you because I'm not down there, down below under the eaves in sections like this is actually water damage happened, and as you can see that very clearly in the soffit board, which is the board that covers your eaves. So when you don't clean your gutters, you're going to have some kind of water damage, especially around the corners here where there's thick bits of basically tile or mortar, and then you've got no ability for water to flow around here, so it's just going to overflow. So that's the reason why you should ideally stay on top of your gutters. And here's a great example here of where the downpipe is completely clogged with soil and there's no chance of any water getting down there. So as you can see here, the gutters are being cleaned, especially around the corner here, and flushed through with water. And that's just water sitting in the gutter. And then obviously, as we discussed before, I've also now flushed that downpipe. I hope you can see that, it's absolutely clear now. So yeah, so there you go folks, there's a completed clean, and I think this customer is going to be very happy. Hope you enjoyed the video.